All right. Well, we have some breaking, and I do mean breaking XRP news. This is some good stuff on two fronts. I'm going to lean heavy into the SEC lawsuit settlement, and this has been as confirmed as we are going to be able to confirm this. Okay. So this is good stuff. We're going to take a look at what's going on with this piece of breaking news. We'll also take a look at the XRP chart, kind of check out everything going on there, and we'll take a look at the overall crypto market in this video. Here we go. Okay. So let me show you what I got for you. Let me give you a better view of that than that. There we go. All right. That's better. Okay, cool. Here we go. So Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, has confirmed that Ripple's going to announce an IPO. I'm going to do a whole separate video on that. Okay. So be on the lookout. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on this video. By dropping a like, you're telling me that you want me to continue to make XRP content for you. So please make sure you see that. Please. Let me know. Okay. So, all righty. All right. Okay. So settlement. All right. I'm excited about this. This is cool. Cool. Right here. So there was a tweet out by XRPP. He said, hey, look, my conservative predictions for the Ripple XRP community party. So there's going to be a community party later this month that Ripple is putting on. I believe it's in New York. Yes, I think that's where it is. And there's been speculation over what's going to come out at the party. What are they going to discuss? What are they going to celebrate and all this kind of stuff? So he's saying basically Ripple announces full settlement with the SEC. Ripple announces their IPO. XRP runs past all-time high during the party. Gary Gensler is marched naked through the crowd as we all yell shame. XRPP does jealous shots with B-Rad. Okay. And then David Schwartz answers only two of these things will happen. Well, look, let's talk about it. XRP, the price of XRP is not going to run past its all-time high during the party. Nope. Gensler ain't going to show up and let them do that. Okay. And I don't know if I don't believe XRPP is going to do jealous shots with B-Rad. So what are the two things? Yep. They are going to announce their full settlement with the SEC. This is pretty much breaking news. This means that this thing could finally be put to bed. All the speculation, all the BS, all the stuff that's out there, all the junk surrounding this could be, in fact, going away. And this is not just an XRP Ripple win, guys. This is a win for all of crypto. If we can get rid of the uncertainty that surrounds crypto as far as the SEC, what they will do, what they're not going to do, who are they going to sue tomorrow, who are they not going to sue tomorrow, all this, who are they going to, blah, 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 blah. This could be one of the first biggest steps that we see to getting rid of that regulatory not having clarity. We're going to get regulatory. We're going to get some clarity. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. It's been a long day already. Okay. So let's take a look real quickly. I don't like that view. It's not looking good. All right. Let's take a look real quick at what's going on with the price of XRP. Where there it is. Okay. So crypto right now, that's technical term. XRP right there at 50 cents, up 0.3%, not doing a whole heck of a lot, not expecting it to. This is XRP's trading view chart. You can see my two little lines here that I've drawn and just continue to expand out. We're doing exactly what I've been talking about. We're going to be doing for a while. We're consolidating. I expect us to be doing this for the entire month of September. In fact, I'm going to draw these out, and we're just going to see if my really complex technical analysis skills are going to be put to a test. And all I'm really saying is I think it's going to stay within this trading pattern. That's all I'm saying. I'll see you. Bye.